Alright, hello guys. In this video, I will be replacing the lithium-ion batteries on this Ryobi HP108L 8-volt drill. Now this drill, I got it for free. One of my friends gave it to me. He bought it for basic houseworking, and it stopped working. He left it outside for a while, and it just didn't work for him. So what I did was I brought it home and tested the batteries. Opened it up, tested the batteries with my multimeter, and the batteries were pretty much dead. They were below 1 volt each. So what I did was I replaced the batteries, but I did it just to test the tool if it worked. It was not replaced as good as I wanted it to be. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and replace the batteries that I put in here, which is these batteries that I scavenged from other Ryobi drills. I'm going to go ahead and put these inside. They're the exact same batteries that I put in here to test, but I'm going to replace them and hopefully do a better job on doing that. So I'm going to wear my safety glasses. I have my soldering station here ready to go. I am going to be soldering the batteries together on this. I think it's not the best way to do it, but I'm going to use it. I'm going to use my soldering station on this. That's what I did when I first did this. So I'm going to show you the work that I did. I'm going to go ahead and open the drill. Before I do that, actually, let me see. I'm going to go ahead and show you that the drill actually does work. There you go. It works. Now, I really don't need to replace the batteries. The drill works perfectly fine, but it's in the back of my head that I kind of want to do a better job. When I did this, I didn't use any flux. I just pretty much used my soldering iron and used some solder to attach the cables. So this time I will be using flux. Hopefully it's a lot faster and a lot better for the drill. Let's see. Sometimes, I don't know if this is because of the batteries, but sometimes when I pull the trigger, there's like a delay and it doesn't work, but you have to do it again. There you go. You saw it right there. And then it works after that. Like the first trigger pull, there's like a delay, but after that it's fine. I'm not sure if it's because of the batteries, how I put them, but we're gonna go ahead and see if we're gonna replace them. There you go. All right. I'm gonna show you my work. That looks terrible. You see that soldering work right there? I just put the soldering iron and some solder, tried my best to attach the wires, and that's what I got. Not sure if that's using the full potential of the batteries or not, but that's what I did, and it works. But we're gonna go ahead and see if I can do it better. So you can see the other side. It does not look too good, so one of the reasons why I want to do this again. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this. As you can see, there's pretty much the same batteries. I have a ton of these. I scavenged from old Ryobi batteries. But yeah, let's go ahead and remove these. Now this was a little tricky because the wire was short, but I think I can extend the wire on this little one, but I'm not sure about the other one. Alright, let me go ahead and use my soldering iron. I'm going to turn on my little fan to blow away the fumes. There you go. Got my glasses on. Let's go ahead and remove these cables. So this white cable, I believe, is a balance cable, so it can charge the batteries equally. Um, that's why it crosses right here, and then just the wire, and then the front is red, the positive and negative. So I believe that's where the the power is happening. So let me go ahead and remove this. Is it not hot enough? Oh, yep, there we go. Now, using a soldering iron on a lithium-ion battery is super not safe because it heats up the battery a lot. One of the reasons I have my fan running, to cool it down while I'm working on it. And while you're working on the batteries, you want to give it time to cool off. Don't use a soldering iron 100% of the time. You want to let the batteries cool down. Okay, let's see. This was the hard part because the wire's like right attached to this trigger here, and it's just in the way all the time. Alright, let's begin. Okay, this is a lot harder than it seems. Don't want to warm up the battery too much. And this trigger is not helping. Oh my god. Yeah, forgot how hard this was. Hopefully I don't regret it. I mean, well, actually, I may not need to replace the batteries. If I add flux to this, maybe I can improve the connection so that it would be better, just so that I won't have to go through all this. So yeah, I'm gonna just improve on this. My multimeter is going crazy. I'm gonna get some flux. Just gonna get some wire and then get some flux. Add that right there. Do that to this side. Alright, that looks a lot better of a connection to me. So we can get flux on this side, warm it up. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Just adding flux made the connection a lot better. I can see that. There's no before there used to be a small gap in between the solder and the battery, but now it's like smooth all around. I'm gonna let the battery cool off a little bit before I do the other side. You see that it looks a lot better than before. Okay. Oh yeah, I gotta solder this on. Shoot. Okay, I'll just add a little more flux on that and wait till this cools off. So I guess the plan for this video changed. I'm just gonna improve the connection. I'm not gonna replace the battery. I mean, it's the same batteries. They're both very good batteries. These are EVE 2 amp hour 7.2 watt hour batteries. So they work perfectly fine. And if it saves me from removing these batteries and put them up again, that's perfect. Um, so yeah, basically what I did when I first did this was I removed the old batteries. So I have them right here. These are the old batteries. These were the ones that were around 0.8 volts, like under 1 volt, so they were pretty much dead. I charged them, they charged right back up. I'm not sure if that helped or not, but these are, I believe, 1.3 amp hour, 1300 milliamp hour batteries. So basically what I did was I saw how those were, with how these were installed. So this was installed like this, and then these two in the front for the negative and the positive going to the main board. So I literally copied that into the new battery. So all I did was I soldered wire from the positive to the negative on one side, and the other side I soldered the positive to the negative, and then there's two positives. I believe one goes to the drill and one goes to the board. One goes to the motor and one goes to the board. Um, and I don't know if you just saw there, but that just came off, so we gotta definitely fix that. Um, okay. Now this is, I mean, I'm not sure if I can. Let's see if I can use my clips here. I don't know if I wanna. I don't know if this is gonna electrocute me or not, but that works. That works. All right, I'm gonna add some more flux on this. Just improving the battery. Just improving the connection of the battery. Let me add a little more on that. Just can be a very good connection. All right. Let's begin. Okay. Let me not add that much. I think that should be enough just to get them in there. Alrighty, that helped. The flux allowed the solder to melt through the wire to the connect the positive terminal, I guess, for the battery. So now it's a solid connection right there. So that worked. Alrighty, now let me disconnect this. Now we gotta connect the. I believe this is the balancing connector that just charges both batteries simultaneously. Oh, like correctly. If you can say that. So it goes when I removed the old batteries. That one, it looked like it was plugged in here. See if I can use my alligator clip here to hold this, and this here. Perfect. Now let me get some flux. Get some on there. I don't think I need to add more solder. I think this would just melts to it. And go. Okay, I think I might need to add more solder. Alright, that didn't work. See if I can melt this. Okay, sorry, it looks like my soldering station was blinking, meant it was going into energy saving mode. So let me try that again. There you go. Okay, I think I might need to add more flux. Sorry, soldering wire. So this is gonna be a little tough. How can I hold these two together? So this there, and then something to hold the battery up. Maybe I can use this, and then I can clip it here. And I think that should work. Oh god, something like that. Come on, battery. Alright, let me get some solder and my wire, my soldering iron. Gonna do that, and bam. Let's see if that worked. Let me add some flux on that just so I can spread out more. There you go. Now that's a good connection right there. That's better than the first time. Alright, I think we're done with this. I'm going to show you again the results. Now, before the connection used to look terrible, but now they look a lot more solid. You can see. In my opinion, they're a lot more better than the first time. And there you go, this side. And we're going to put it back together, and hopefully it works. Hopefully I didn't mess anything up. Let's see. This goes there. That. Battery goes in there. Oh yeah, the temperature sensor goes in here. Gonna put in between the wires right there. Oh crap. Now I'm actually liking this drill a lot. I use it on like small to unscrew small small equipment, like I would use a drill to unscrew some batteries or like computers. It's not as strong, too strong to break your screws on your computer. I would only use it to remove, but it's fun, it's lightweight, and you can use it anywhere. And it was free, and I fixed it with some old batteries I had laying around. Alright, where's the... Oh. Okay, where's the... Oh, there it is. I was looking for the rotation switch. Looks like this goes this way. So there. Alright, and this is my very first lithium-ion soldering work that I've done. It was fairly easy. Nothing happened. It didn't explode. I did let them cool off before continuing to use my soldering iron. So let's go ahead and see if this works now. Now I feel a lot better that the soldering is a lot more, I guess you can say, a lot more professional, not professionally made, professional like quality, but it's better than what I did when I first did it, just to like see if the drill worked. There you go. Now before I screw it, let's test it out. Alright, it works. Alright, perfect. Now, I was gonna replace, like I said, I was gonna replace the batteries, but why replace them if you can just fix the soldering job that I made, and just make it a lot better. Like I said, I did just solder. Oh damn it! I did just solder the two batteries in there just to see if it was the batteries that were dead, and just to see if the drill didn't work. Whether the drill worked because of the battery or didn't work because of the motor, or something in the circuit board just didn't work. So I was very hesitant to replace the batteries, but I was like, because I bought a charger for this drill to see if it charged, but nothing was happening. The drill wasn't even charging with the charger that I bought, so I was like, okay, I didn't want to mess with the lithium-ion battery, so I was like, okay, I guess I'll throw the drill away, because I'm not replacing the batteries. Too dangerous. So one night I was like, you know what? I think I'm ready for my first time to solder the batteries into the drill. So I went ahead and did it. I soldered it as fast, not as fast as I could, but as best as I could at the moment, just to see if it worked. And it worked. I was surprised. I was very, very happy. I was very proud of myself because I did that. I got a free drill that wasn't working. Replaced the batteries, like I said. These were the batteries that were in there. I believe these are LG batteries. They're 1300 milliamps. The ones that I put in here are 2000 milliamps. 2000, so that's 4000 milliamps. Not sure if that's combined or not, but there you go. Hey, the trigger delay still happens, so I believe it's just like a drill thing. I don't know if it's a battery or not. There you go. It's got power for the little drill. And I have tested the charger, and the charger works. Everything works. I love this little drill. It's, just use it on anything. There you go. If you guys have a drill like this and you want to replace your batteries, you can go ahead and try. Just if you're doing it with soldering, just be careful. Wear protection. I'm wearing glasses, safety glasses. I got the fan running for the solder fumes. This definitely helped. 100% recommend one of these. Actually, before I end the video, I'm gonna go ahead and drill a screw to see how powerful this is. Alright, here I have my trusty wood. Let me get my bit. Now let me turn off the fan. Oh wait. Alright, let me get some screws. Alright, here I have the drill with the bit. I'm going to try these screws, see how powerful this is. Ready? Alright, looks like it did it. Try another one. Yeah, it's fairly strong. Not sure if the batteries I put in there made it a little stronger than it would normally be. Because the batteries I put in here were from a 4 amp hour battery, lithium plus battery. I'm not sure if that made it a little more powerful, but it drilled these screws pretty fast, or not pretty fast, but pretty well. Try that sideways. Bam. This is an impact bit, but whatever. Take this one off. Well, there you go. Free Ryobi tool that I got from a friend. Batteries were dead. Replaced them with some old ones I had laying around that I scavenged from a Ryobi battery. Put them in there with soldering wire. With a soldering iron. I used some just regular wire to connect the batteries. That worked. And now I got myself a free... Oh. Yeah, see, there's that trigger delay. I'm not sure if it's this drill. If you have a drill like this and that happens, let me know in the comments so that I can put my mind at ease that it's not my drill that I got for free. But there you go. Oh, come on. Okay. Okay, we got one battery life left. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in with a charger to see if it charges. So the charger that I bought to charge this was one of those universal chargers that you put in the one you need to charge your device. It was $8. I know. It was really cheap, and this, I don't know if this can damage your device or not, but it charges the drill. Plug it in. There you go. You can't use the drill while it's charging though. Alright, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know.